Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at why you'll want Dolphin commercial grade motors in your robotic pool cleaner to ensure maximum cleaning power and efficiency. If you have watched a few of our reviews, you probably heard us refer to Dolphin's commercial grade motors when discussing the Premier, Sigma, and other Dolphin robots, and two reasons why we love them so much: their extra power and energy savings. Many older pool cleaners relied on AC motors to run, but they couldn't always supply the constant energy needed to scrub and suck every piece of grime from your pool. Dolphin recognized this and decided to turn to DC motors instead, which have permanent magnets inside of them. This means that your robotic pool cleaner will have much more power than older pool cleaners, which ensures a deeper, more thorough clean on your pool's bottom, but also enables robots such as the Premier to have the power to scale up walls and clean all the way to the tile line. No AC-powered robot could have ever gotten up there and cleaned efficiently. All this power must mean it costs more to operate though. Luckily for us, this isn't the case, as these new DC motors are also 87% more efficient, which means it costs only 5 cents per hour to operate. It really is confusing as to why no one upgraded sooner, but we are glad Dolphin did. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about Dolphin Quantum, Dolphin Premier, and Dolphin Sigma, and dozens of other robotic pool cleaner features at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.